Hi, welcome to your chemical classification course. Now, don't freak out on me yet. I know that it's possible that many of you haven't taken a chemistry class since like the 11th grade, and that may have been a very long time ago. That's okay. You don't have to be a chemist to be able to classify chemicals. You're spending 20 to 30 minutes watching this video. Then from 12 to 1 p.m. Central Time, we'll have a live Q&A and hands-on classification exercises. So I'll be there in the flesh. Bring any questions that you have with you. Any questions you may have after watching this video, that would be great. Any classifications that you want to go over, whether they're classifications for items you've seen somewhere, classifications for something that your company sells. Happy to walk through those with you together and bring questions that you think will benefit the group as a whole too, because we'll all be there together from 12 to 1 Central Time. My name is Bonnie Kersch, and I'll be your instructor for this.